Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a Garmin Vivoactive 4 smartwatch with a touch screen that is not working. I'll be going over some easy solutions that you can try to hopefully get your touch screen working again. I'm going to start off with the most common solution and work my way to the one that is less common that you will hopefully not need to use. So solution number one is to clean the screen. Believe it or not, most of the time when your touch screen on any device of yours isn't working, it's because your screen is dirty. You know, sometimes I'm working out in the backyard, I'm working outside, not working out like you know, with weights and stuff, but I'm working outside in the backyard, and my screens of my technological devices will get all dirty, full of dirt, and then I try and use them and it's unresponsive. So even if your screen looks clean, I would recommend that you clean it. So just, you know, clean it properly and quickly, and at least you can rule that off of the list. If your screen is dirty, clean it, because that's likely going to be the problem. Number two, clean your fingers. Now, this is a little bit less likely to be the problem, but if your fingers are dirty, if they have a coating on them of oil, potentially, or like let's say you're just buttering toast and you have butter on your fingers, that could prevent them from working with the touch screen. Or if they have dirt on them, or you know, you're doing yard work outside, you know, that could prevent them from working with the touch screen. So just clean your fingers. Just wash your hands, clean your fingers, and hopefully that works. Number three, this has worked sometimes, less likely to work, but definitely has worked sometimes. Charge and release. So get the charger, okay, and put the, this is my Fitbit charger. I was like, what's going on here? It's not working. Give me a second. Let me switch over here. Okay, I was using both of my devices before for various videos. I also have a Fitbit watch that I was using as well. So, well, this is my camera charger now. This is hilarious. That's the charger for the camera that I'm using right now to film this. Here we go. Here is my Garmin Vivoactive 4 charger. This is hilarious. Sorry, guys. I swear, like, this was not planned. I can't believe it. I just find it really funny, to be honest with you. It's not plugged in right now, but we're going to imagine that it is. You're going to charge and release it a couple times. So charge, so get it lined up, plug it in to charge it, remove it, right? Plug it in to charge it, remove it. Try it 3, 4, 5 times. Plug it in to charge it, remove it. Try doing that a few times. What that might do is that might sort of cause the software to sort of wake up and say, hello, you know, we want to try something here. So give that a try. Charge and release it, you know, maybe 5 times, and then try and see if the touch screen works. Last but not least, the fourth thing that you can do is try a hard reset. So to do a hard reset, you are going to shut the device down without using the touch screen. So if you get the top button right here on your Garmin Vivoactive 4 smartwatch, okay, you can actually press and hold it down for about 15 seconds until the screen turns black, and then that will actually turn the device off. Once the screen is black and the device is off, you can press and hold this down for like 1 or 2 seconds after, and it will turn the device back on. So it serves as like a reset, like a turn it off and turn it back on without using the touch screen. So that's basically it. If you have a Garmin Vivoactive 4 smartwatch with a touch screen that is not working, these are some easy solutions that will hopefully help you fix it and get it working once again. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.